Hi! In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying the Boolean feature within MIRApro. Let's dive in. Click on Import Parts and select the desired file. For Boolean operations, watertight meshes are preferred. To check the watertight status of any file, simply double-click on the name of the file inside Part List. Once the shell repair console is open, remove any noise shells. Click on Update Status. Next, let us hollow this model using the Hollow option. Fine-tune the shell thickness and inner detail size to desired specifications. Visualize the hollowed cross-section using the Section View option. This type of closed hollow shell poses challenges while manufacturing. To solve this, we perform Boolean subtract of the newly imported part from our original hollowed model. Select both files, click on Boolean, and choose the subtract option. Make sure to select the main body. Add a clearance offset if necessary, enter a new part name, and click Apply. To punch holes in the cut shell, we now import a 3D model of diamonds. Once again, we select both parts and apply Boolean with the desired settings. In case any of the selected parts is not repaired, a dialog box pops up asking for repair. Press OK to proceed. After the Boolean operations, it is always suggested to remove noise and unwanted shells. Inside the shell repair console, remove the noise shells and update status. To check the volume of the part, click on Calculate. Adjust the density according to the material to get the weight of the part. We now export the modified file to STL and save it for future use. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.